Hey everybody, Sarah with Titan Pressure Washing here. We're just coming up on a project we're doing here in Stuart, Florida for the Champions Golf Club. They've got this green metal roof that is 20 years old, never been cleaned. And the guys are here cleaning this up today, taking care of the plants, protecting those. Looks like they're wrapping up this job, so we're just gonna walk around and take a look. You can see the beautiful clean roof. We did let them know, there's always a chance of discoloration when you haven't cleaned a roof in so long and you've got the organic material leading into it, into the coating, into the paint. You just never know what's going to happen when you clean that. But as you can see, we don't really have that. It's just looking normal, looking good. They lucked out on this not cleaning for 20 years. So here we have all the furniture got moved so we can protect that. Back here they had plants growing out of the gutters. Got all those removed. It's gonna raise this up, give you guys a higher view of what's going on. Take a look at how beautiful, clean, all of the mold and growth is gone. I'm just gonna spin around here and take a look. Look here, again, they got everything moved. We're all about protecting the furniture. Cushions were taken inside. All precautions taken with the ladders, so they're using stabilizers, making sure those aren't up against the gutters and the roof. So, Titan team doing another fantastic job today here at the Champions Club. You can see their little starter shack when you're going golfing. Great course here if you're in Stuart, Florida. Check it out. Here we have Casey, owner of the company. Just doing another fantastic job. If you guys need work done, call Titan Pressure Washing. You can check us out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Our number is 772-245-0402. You can find us at titanpw.com. Check us out, leave us a review, call us if you need anything done. We are the only ones on the Treasure Coast nationally certified, since Florida does not issue a license for our industry. Let's check this out one more time and take a look at this beautiful roof. All right, guys, give us a call.
Don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.
Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof, concrete, and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.